Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to see your reposts on X. So it's very simple. First of all, open X on your phone and then you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen and go to your profile. Now please make sure, it's really important that you're in the section that is called Posts, and if you scroll through here you will see basically your repost that you have made at certain time in the past and how to indicate that it's actually post that you have reposted. Above it you will see small label that says you reposted. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.